With the presidential election comes 17 new ballot propositions for California voters. Joining us in studio today to talk about a few of them, we have criminal defense attorney and returning Chapman News guest, Mark Devore. Thanks for being here, Mark.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. So, I mean, a lot of these propositions on the ballot will have a direct effect on criminal justice and the way it's handled in Orange County and the California areas. So what are specific propositions that you really think could affect those circumstances?
Well, number one, you have to talk about Prop 57. Prop 57 really has three prongs to it. One, the ability of state prisoners to earn increased credits to get out earlier through rehabilitation or educational programs. Two, it gives the Bureau of Parole Hearings the ability to release prisoners early, and in some cases up to 75 or 80% of a reduced sentence from what the judge had imposed. And the third, probably less controversial, is a juvenile justice matter, whereas now, if you're over 14 years old and you commit certain crimes, murder, rape, torture, the district attorney can just totally avoid the juvenile court and file on an arrestee directly in the adult court. What Prop 57 will do is force the DA to get the approval of a juvenile court judge before allowing the case to be transferred to the adult court.
Wow, that's definitely a lot of information taken. So you mentioned 57, how it's the most important. How do you see it affecting our current California state financial, where we're at economically, either positively or negatively?
Right. You know, it's very interesting when you read the way the initiatives are described in the ballot. Obviously, people getting out of prison earlier, I believe, creates a greater increase in crime. And I think we found that when 3 strikes was implemented, you had a reduction of crime. Recently, we had Penal Code Section 1170H, which is commonly referred to as realignment, which brought people who would formerly be housed in state prison back into the county jail. And after a 30-year decrease in crime in California, 2014 actually had an increase in violent crime. On the other hand, the proponents of Prop 57 stress, hey, most people are going to get out of prison at a certain time. So let's give them the incentive to get their high school diploma, take some college courses, learn a trade, because they're going to get out and back into the community at some point.
Okay, and the last and final really proposition we kind of go over here is the marijuana proposition, obviously a very hot button topic around college campuses and our age demographic in general. What do you see as the benefits and negative side effects of a proposition like that going into law?
Well, I think the benefit is, let's face it, with medical marijuana right now, it's essentially decriminalized. Right? Everybody who, I think experience has shown that everybody who wants a marijuana, people call it a prescription, it's really a recommendation, gets it. But what the marijuana proposition would do is essentially create, I don't want to call them liquor stores, but retail stores where you'd be able to go buy marijuana. Possession of less than an ounce would not be a crime in California. Right now it's an infraction, it's punishable by a $100 fine. You'd also, some of these stores would have licenses for on-site consumption. What it would do, I think, is take organized crime out of the business. And it's the associated crime, the guns, the robberies, even the thefts and the burglaries from people, that would, taking that away and putting in corporate interest running the marijuana business, and then also you've got taxation issues. The state perhaps could raise up to $1 billion from marijuana taxes, and that's a lot in this economy.
Absolutely.
Awesome. That's definitely not taken, so we'll see when we vote. Thank you so much. We always have a
Absolutely.
great
Thanks so
time having
much.
you here.